West Virginia, the plate drum major, Cadet Master Sergeant Brandon Davis from Lexington, South Carolina.
Let's go in here, let's go, come on, hey. Woo, woo, woo. Come on. Woo, woo. Come on here, let's go, hey. Woo. Come on. We got a rogue chicken this morning. I don't know if you see her. There she is. See her right over there? Rogue chicken. She is she's supposed to be over here in the net with the other chickens, but she has figured out how to fly out, and you know, you're gonna have that when you're having chickens like this, pastured poultry. You're gonna have some that fly out, and that's just okay. and just putting some trace minerals out here for the cows. As you can see, that's what's in this bucket right here. It's just a trace mineral, got some salt, some other things in there, and yeah, you gotta have minerals. We don't feed them any grains or anything, but you got to give them trace minerals. Keep their system intact. So, all right, let's go. Come on, get up. That's right. That's right. Come on, turn around. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's get up. Come on. Let's get up. Come on, that way. Let's go. See how long this is going to take. Let's go. Come on. Hey, come on. There we go. So there we go. See, just released pressure there and just kind of had a staring contest for a minute. And sometimes that's all it takes, and then they're right on in the next paddock. So what you just saw here is I moved the cows into this new paddock. So I had to switch the jumper wire from this cross fence to that cross fence. So I've just got a little jumper wire. I've got this wire that runs to the middle of the paddock, and it's always hot, and I just use jumper wires to hop over and make my cross fences hot. And I just moved the water, just the fill hose, and moved it to the other stock tank, so they'll have plenty of water today here in this paddock. One last little tidbit before I turn the camera off. All of our videos we've produced so far, every video has been taken with an iPhone. That's right, no fancy camera, just an iPhone. And so for you veteran YouTubers, people who have all these subscribers, yeah, you're probably saying, yeah, we can tell it's just an iPhone. But hey, we're on a budget, so those nice cameras cost hundreds of dollars, $500–600, and we're just nowhere near there yet. So we're enjoying this, doing it with the iPhone. I know there's limitations, but hey, again, we live on a budget, so it's having to work. So hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you next time.